What genre are national anthems? Country. You're welcome. Just checked my trail camera and apples are gone again, but this time it was all deer that ate them, so that's good. It's just that they're eating them at night right now, so just need to bring them in a little bit earlier. Prior to that, literally a couple days ago, they were in during the day, so they'll be coming back up. Still early in the season, but cool to see that it wasn't raccoons eating all the apples last night, but deer, so pretty cool. Batteries are gonna die on that thing though. Just gotta swap them out. And then I got a little thing that I look at them with, so I can look at them right in the field without having to look on a computer. And that also has low battery, so I gotta sort that out. But a pretty cool rig. Check out this light I have. I can recharge that. I just have it on low right now. It's kind of hard for me to tell, but it lights up my messy cabin. I gotta burn all this cardboard here soon. That's all empty boxes, but it's cool. It looks smoky in here. It isn't. That's just the way the light looks. I don't know why it's not showing it clearer, but it's cool. You can be charged. It's battery powered, but it can be plugged in and charged, and it can go brighter than that and do like some different colors, but it's pretty cool. Looks like a ceiling fan. Puts out pretty good light though. Yeah, you can tell a little bit better now. See? Pretty cool. Nothing out there tonight. Fire's still going strong. Let me show you. Just using scrap wood for now. I don't know why my camera's giving off what looks like smoke from when there's bright light, but maybe because it's so dark. Anyways, it's not. And all of the paint's all baked on here on the stove. I was curing it the last video. Well, now it's all good. So it has been cured. There, that's a little better view. I turned the light on, the camera light on, so you can see. Anyways, this is working good. There's a better look at that light too, so you can actually see it. Works good. Okay, so I'm under the cabin here. This here's my bubble flow insulation for the floor. Well, I cut it because of the weather, just to keep the rain pouring out. But now I'm gonna take this tape here and tape those seams back up. And then that'll be it for that until I skirt this later.
You, sorry.
I just got some little spots where I put these bird blockers in that I'm filling in. It's a pretty big gap this side. We got our dust masks.
Yeah, right. Looks like so much more when it's open.
Mm-hmm.
The bag looks so tiny.
We're hunting, so we're kind of just carrying in a bit at a time. To start. According to a recent survey we studied on a live stream, these are 33 pounds a piece.
Oh yeah, 32.
33. Got our mass today.
Yeah.
Nice stack.
Yeah.
All right, bottom's pretty much done.
Mm-hmm.
Just need to do a little bit more insulation, but it is hunting time,
Yeah.
so that's the priority
Mm-hmm.
right now because it's hunting time.
We need a deer.
Yeah, and it's the priority because it's fun.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. But it does look really cool in here. Like just seeing a bunch of the insulation and stuff in, and the stove. Like we have it all around the stove now, so it just feels warmer already, even though it's not yet, but it feels it.
For the corners there, we'll get a little bit of roxel and stuff in the corners around the thimble.
Yeah.
But it's cool. It starts sounding different as you get the
Yeah.
insulation in.
Yeah, it does. It's so neat. It's less echoey, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, we're gonna go and hopefully we get a deer.
See you later.
See ya.